Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have seen installation of Sitecore. Now we are going to see the overview of Sitecore installation. Let's begin. These are the components that are installed when our Sitecore installation is completed. First of all, we'll see IS websites. So we can see here identity server is installed. Then our dev website, then Xconnect website is installed. In Windows service, marketing automation engine services created, processing engine services created, and Xconnect search index services created. From SQL database you can see there are all the databases which are appended with 102 are created here. So you can see the core database is created, EXM database is created, marketing automation, master database, messaging, processing databases are there, reference database, reporting, web database, collection. Most of the time you will be using mostly the master web and core databases. If any debugging needs to be performed, mostly master web core, these are the main database that you may be using or visiting. Solar cores, you can see there are different solar cores created for core, FXM master web, marketing, master index, SXA master index, testing, web index. And here also I can say same thing, mostly will be working with master web and core indexes. After installation, whenever you log in into the system, Sitecore CMS, so this is the Sitecore 10.2 launchpad that you will see. You can see generally it is categorized into four parts: marketing application, content editing, control panel, access management. Okay, let's see each of them. I will give just overview of each of them. Yeah, so these are the sections that launchpad it will be having. So yeah, let's go one by one. Forms are basically used for creating the forms and adding different functionalities to it. So whenever we want to add different Sitecore forms, right, so we'll go there. We can see the drag and drop. We'll be having drag and drop mechanism there. We just need to create the form just by dragging the components to the form. After that also we can configure what action that needs to be performed when the form is saved, or we need to send the emails and all those things. You can basically do that in form section. In campaign creator, it is used for creating the campaign. For marketing control panel is used to define the campaigns, funnel, goals, all those things they will be visible in marketing control panel. Content editing, most of them I think you will be using the content editor or experience editor. Okay, so content editor used to manage the content and appearance for each hosted pages. Okay, so whatever the configurations or creating that website and all those things, yeah, you can basically do that from content editor, and most of the time you will be using this content editor in Sitecore. Experience editor is we can say what you see is what you get, specifically designed to edit the things that are visible on the page, that can be images, text, logo, links, and components specific to personalization. So you'll be getting the view of the website, what it will be displayed, and you can basically edit those components there in experience editor. Horizon is a next gen editor in Sitecore experience platform. It includes features like page editor used to create and edit the web pages. Okay, so this is a new feature that Sitecore has launched. In media library you can store the static assets like videos, images, documents, all those things are basically present in media library. You can also go from content editor and you can see those things, but yeah, in media library only the media library sections will be visible to us. In workbox is basically it provides workflow details such as editing history, number of the items and all those details, which items are present in workflow, all those details are present in this workbox. Recycle bin is the similar recycle bin that we have for Windows. Whatever the items that we have deleted, that will be moved to recycle bin, and then you can clear those. You can also restore those deleted items. PowerShell ICE module, it is a PowerShell module that is present to increase the productivity and decrease the time required to deliver Sitecore solutions. So basically you can write the scripts, manage the content from here. PowerShell ICE module. PowerShell reports, so you can generally add your custom reports there in this PowerShell reports. Next is your control panel. So control panel will be having admin related access and rights, managing the indexes, configuring the business tools and storefronts, and all those. In desktop, we can say desktop provide access to all Sitecore features and applications, including everything already accessed from the launchpad. Okay, so in the launchpad, whatever the things that are present, you can also go and get those things from desktop. That is like content editor, experience editor. From that, packaging or publishing the website, all those details will be available in desktop. It is similar to what we have in our Windows. Access management, in access management we have user management, so what roles that we need to provide for the users, user creation, and all those things are basically maintained here. In security editor comes with series of predefined roles that you can use to manage the authorization of item and functionality. In access viewer, you can see the result of combination of access rights for an individual person or for individual item. Those details are present in access viewer. Domain manager, you can create extra domain. For example, for one site you require another domain, so you can just create that from here or can manage the existing domains from here. Role manager, we can see for managing the different roles that you have created, all those things can be managed in role manager. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.